Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna showcase one of my new planes. And let's get showcasing. This is the A3X 200ER. Very different. Now let's go inside. Here we have a control room. Yes. Here we have a little kitchen. And a little place to eat. Oh yeah, look. There's in there. And fridge. He's where I sleep. Watching some Netflix. And we have the bathroom. Yeah. I'm just giving it a test day. Very slow, not that fast. Probably gonna do it faster. Maybe, only maybe. Well, that was it for this video. So bye.